we are familiar, right? We are familiar with few shapes which we already studied in your previous classes. For example, you can see all these shapes, right? Yeah, so we call it as circle, rectangle, triangle and square. So these shapes are called as two-dimensional shape or plane figure. Fine then. Now let us play one game. Who am I game? Okay, so I'll tell you the statement. You have to guess who am I. Right? Yeah, so let's play for that. See, I am a plane figure with 3 sides and 3 corners. Who am I? See, I'm a plane figure. I'm having 3 sides and 3 corners. So who am I? Yes, I am a triangle. So if you observe, all these shapes are a triangle itself, even though the length and dimension is different. So all these are triangle. Got it? Yes. So let's play the next one. So let's see who will be the next one. See, I am a plane figure with 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Who am I? Okay, here the diagonal is nothing but, see, where the lines which join the opposite corners of a quadrilateral are called as the diagonals. Got it? Where I am a plane figure with 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Who am I? Yes, I am a quadrilateral. And all these figures are a quadrilateral figure. So this is about the quadrilateral, triangle and the plane figures. Guys, we have come across many 3D objects, right? Or you can say solid object. So these are nothing but 3D shapes such as candle, box, ball, ice cream cone. Got it? Yeah. Now let us do one activity. So let us not waste our time. So let us do one activity. Quick activity. Fine, what we'll do? So let me take 25 coins and 25 bangles. And I'm going to keep it on the table. Now I need 2 girls' help. Okay. So I'm going to count the time. So you guys have to place this 25 coins and 25 bangles one above the other. So let's see who will finish it off fast. So after arranging this 25 coins and 25 bangles, so we are getting some 3D shape, right? So what is this 3D shape which is formed here? Or I can say which 3D shape is formed now. So this 3D shape formed here is a 3D cylindrical shape. So I can say that 3D cylindrical shape is formed when coins and bangles are placed one above the other. But even though both are 3D cylindrical shape, there is one difference between them. So what is that difference? So let's see for that. See, what is that? If you observe, the cylindrical formed by placing the coin one above the other, there is no gap between them, right? So there is no gap in the middle. So it is called as a solid cylinder. Whereas the cylinder formed by the bangles, there is a gap. There is a hollow, right? So it is called as a hollow cylinder. In real life, this solid cylinder can be given as, or for that I can take an example of not calendar, it's a candle. Okay. A real life example for solid cylinder is candle and for hollow cylinder is pipe.